It was a lovely night at the pyjamas HQ. Hey guys, what do you fancy doing tonight? Well, because it's Easter, I thought we could go hunting for eggs. What do you think, Owlette? I think that's a great idea, guys. Let's go! Firstly, let's fly to the volcano. Whoa, look at that volcano, guys. Where do you reckon we can find some eggs around here? What about inside the volcano? Oh, that sounds quite scary. I'm not sure if I want to go in the volcano, Catboy and Gekko. I'm worried about getting my wings burnt. That's okay, Owlette. Me and Gekko will go inside the volcano. Lower us down onto the volcano, Owlette, and we'll have a look inside. Hey, look down there, Gekko. It's really dark. Do you think you can fit down there? Sure thing, Catboy. Come on, let's go in and see what we can find. You go first, Gekko. Okay, Catboy, here goes. Oh wow, we're inside the volcano. It's amazing in here. Whoa, look at all the slimy lava. Way, it's really fun to slide down. Come on, Gekko, let's go further in. Watch out, Catboy. Can you see any eggs in here, Gekko? I can't see anything yet. What about over here? Whoa, this slimy lava's really hard to walk through. Haven't found anything yet. Where do you think the egg is hiding? Hey, Catboy, look over there. I think I can see something. Oh yes, there's the egg. Let's grab it. Come on, Gekko. Let's get out of this volcano before it erupts. Whoosh. Well done, guys. You found an egg inside the volcano. Let's go and see what we can find in Romeo's lab. He's always cooking up different experiments. Maybe there'll be a few eggs lying around. Wow, what's this? It's a giant tub of Orbeez. Whoa, it's making me feel a little bit sick. There's so many colours. My mind's gone haywire. I'm feeling a little dizzy, guys. I don't think I can go in. Okay, Gekko, that's fine. You wait over there. Me and Owlette will see if there's any eggs inside. Come on, Owlette, let's go. Let's jump in. Whoa. Oh, wow, these Orbeez are great. Can you see any eggs in here? Not yet, Catboy. How's it going in there, guys? Hey, look over there. There are some eggs. Well done, guys. Good work. Let's get out of here before Romeo gets back. He won't be very pleased that we've been messing around with his Orbeez. Where to next, Owlette? Well, I was thinking we could go to the desert. Sounds great. Hey, look down there, guys. Look at all the sand. Take us in for a landing. Another happy landing. Okay, guys, let's go and have a look in the desert. See if we can find any eggs. I'm not sure if I'm going to come with you guys. It's a little bit hot. I might stay in the car. Okay, Gekko. You stay there. We'll be back soon. Good luck, guys. Wow, this sand is really hard to get through. I wonder if we'll find any eggs around here. Oh, wow, look over there, Owlette. There's 2 eggs. Well done, Catboy. Great, we've got 2 eggs from the desert. My cat senses are tingling. I think there's another egg somewhere around here. I'm going to bury down under the sand and see if I can find any more eggs. Go for it, Catboy. Oh, I found another egg. Great, now we've got one for Gekko. let's go back to the owl glider. I wonder how Gekko's doing. Oh my! He's been covered in sand! Gekko, you okay? I'm fine, guys. I'm just a bit covered in sand. Okay, Gekko, let's get out of here before the sandstorm hits. Where are we off to next? Well, that desert was really hot, so I was thinking we'll go to someplace quite cool. How about the ocean? Nice landing, Owlette. I didn't know the owl glider could float. What do you think, guys? Do you reckon there'll be some eggs underneath the sea? I'm not sure about this, guys. You know that I'm scared of water. Okay, Catboy, why don't you wait in the owl glider and me and Gekko will go and investigate? Good idea. Come on, Gekko, let's dive in. I hope they're alright down there. Oh wow, look, we're on the seabed. It's amazing down here. Hey, look over there. There's 4 eggs. Fantastic. Let's go and get them and take them up to the owl glider. Good job, Gekko. Let's swim up. Here we go. I can't wait to dry off. Come on, guys, let's go back to HQ. I think we've found loads of eggs. Whoosh. Oh, it's good to be home. Hey, look at all the eggs we found. Happy Easter, everybody. Yay! We've got so many eggs. Wasn't that so much fun? We saw so many different places and found so many different eggs. We went to the volcano, we went to Romeo's lab, the desert and the sea. What a fantastic adventure. We'll have to do that next year.
PJ Masks, this time I will beat you. No way, Luna Girl, you can never beat the PJ Masks. But I have a surprise for you this time, PJ Masks. A little bird tells me that your time is coming to an end, Luna Girl. That's what you think, Owlette, but just you wait. Oh look, a swarm of moths are heading towards the PJ Masks. Watch out, Owlette! Ah, I can't see anything! Ah! Owlette! Gekko, she's in trouble. She's not flying. Ah! I'll save you, Owlette. Ah! I hope Gekko will catch her. Go, Super Gekko Muscles! Phew, that was close. Thanks, Gekko. I thought I was a goner. Owlette is pacing inside PJ Masks' HQ. She's shaken up from the fall earlier. I don't know how to tell the others, but that fall has made me scared of heights. What will I do if I can't fly? I'm no use to PJ Masks if I can't help save the day. Hey, Gekko, have you seen Owlette? I'm a little worried about her. Me too, Catboy. She hasn't left her HQ base. I think you should go and talk to her. Good idea, Gekko. Owlette! Owlette! There you are. We've been so worried about you. Are you okay? Luna Girl and her moths have really shaken me up, Catboy. I'm not sure I can fly again. That fall would have shaken me up too, Owlette. But you'll be okay. I really hope that's true. But if I can't, what use am I to PJ Masks? Owlette, you're part of our team, and you always will be. We need you. What is that? Oh no, the moths are back. Don't worry, Owlette, we'll beat them this time. Slithering serpents, what's that noise? Gekko heads up to Owlette and Catboy. Hey guys, what's up? Haha, I'm back, PJ Masks, and this time I will prevail. The only way we'll win is if we work together. It's time to be a hero. You can't defeat my super swarm moths. What's the matter, Owlette? You're looking a little scared. Don't pick on Owlette. Try me for size. You asked for it, Catboy. Go super swarm moths. Ah! I've got you now. Right, that's it. Super lizard grip. Yeah! You'll never get rid of me! You can't shake me off! I'll never give in! Ah! Whoa! Oh no, I'm losing my grip! Whoa! Ah! Gekko's in trouble! I'll have to overcome my fears and save my friend! Ah! Hang tight! Ah! I knew you would save me, Owlette. You are a true hero. Well done, Owlette. We knew you could do it. Thanks for your faith in me. I couldn't have done it without the support of my friends. That's what friends are for. PJ Masks, all shout hooray, because in the night we've saved the day! Yeah! Woo!
Hello everybody! We are at the PJ Masks HQ. Look at them go! But what's this? This looks like a giant Catboy surprise Play-Doh egg! What's inside? Let's take it apart and see. First we're going to take off the ears. Now let's peel off Catboy's eyebrows. Oh, he looks so funny. Now some more detail. I can't wait to get inside. Let's take off his eyes. This is so much fun. I wonder what is going to be inside our egg. Let's take it all off and see. It's a giant surprise egg. I think I can see some of the things already. What is inside? Oh, it's Catboy. Catboy is the leader of the PJ Masks. He has super speed and cat-like hearing. Look at his cattail go. Boink! What else do we have in our surprise egg? It's Owlette. Owlette can fly, and she has great eyesight with her owl eyes. Go, Owlette, go! Girl power. Zoom! Swish! PJ Masks are here to save the day. What else do we have? We have Owlette in the Owl Glider. This is her vehicle. It flies. Just like her. Zoom! Go, Owlette! There are a few more things inside our toy surprise egg. What have we got? We've got Catboy in the cat car. He looks super in control. His car is really fast and has super cat speed, of course. Looking good, Catboy. Zoom! Watch him go! These are so much fun to play with. But there's one more thing in our egg. It's Gekko in the Gekko-mobile. He looks great. Gekko is super strong. Doesn't his Gekko-mobile look awesome? It's got a little tail. So much fun! Let's watch him go, go, go! Zoom! Whoosh! Hello, Catboy! Should we go and save the day? I think so, Owlette. Owlette's ready to go. She's flying. And here they are in their cars. Zoom! They are super fast. On your marks, get set, go! Who's gonna win the race? Oh no! Off they go together. And there you have it. That was super fun. A giant Catboy egg. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Night Ninja is in his lair. He's been working on his evil machine. It turns things into Play-Doh. Haha! Once my machine works, the PJ Masks will never be able to stop me. Oh look, he's turned it on. Ha 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 ha! It's working! There are so many things I can turn into Play-Doh! Now, let's just get the settings right. Meanwhile, back at the PJ Masks HQ, Catboy is waiting around for Owlette and Gekko to return. Wait a minute, what's that red dot that's moving? I wonder what this red dot is. Oh no, look at me, I've been turned into Play-Doh. Meanwhile, Owlette and Gekko are out on patrol in the Owl Glider. Cool, today's a quiet night. Maybe we won't have any problems to solve today. I wonder if Catboy is having more excitement back home, says Gekko. Fluttering feathers, Gekko! Look at that cat, it's made out of Play-Doh! Gekko, there's definitely something wrong here. Let's go back to HQ and tell Catboy what's happening. Owlette and Catboy fly across the sky back towards PJ Masks HQ. Wait, what's that? The wall has turned into Play-Doh. Look out, Owlette! Oh no, Gekko, the Owl Glider is stuck. I guess we're going to have to walk back to HQ now. Catboy, you are never going to guess what's going on. Things are being turned into Play-Doh all over the city. Catboy, are you okay? Guys, don't look at me. Catboy, what's wrong? Catboy, turn around and talk to us. I can't. I'm so embarrassed. I've been turned into Play-Doh too. What am I gonna do? Don't worry, Catboy. We will find out who is at the bottom of this. I think this is the work of Night Ninja. Let's find him. Into the night to save the day. Haha! My master plan is working. Soon everything will be made out of Play-Doh. Not so fast, Night Ninja. PJ Masks will stop you. You can't stop me. I've already turned Catboy into Play-Doh. There are two of us this time, though. Only two? Haha! Well, I've got lots of ninjalinos. Let's see you get past them. How are Owlette and Gekko going to get past all of these ninjalinos? If we can't get past them, there's no way we can stop Night Ninja. Wait, who's that coming up behind the... It's Catboy! What are you gonna do, Catboy? Or should I call you Doughboy? I may be made out of Play-Doh, but I am still a PJ Mask. Your time is up, PJ Masks. Soon you will all be made out of Play-Doh. Ninjalinos, get the PJ Masks. Hang on a minute. I may no longer have my super cat speed, but I have something else. I'm made out of Play-Doh, so I can stretch. Let's see if I can reach all the way over the Ninjalinos and turn off the machine. Here goes. Look at Catboy's arms stretching. Well done, Catboy. I'm finally back to normal at last. I was worried I might be made out of Play-Doh forever. I can't believe you've ruined my plans yet again, PJ Masks. You should know that we will always stop you no matter what your evil plan is, because we are the PJ Masks.
Owlette is waiting for Catboy and Gekko. They've planned to go out and practice their moves. Hey Owlette, should we go out? I want to practice my climbing. Yeah, let's go. It looks like a beautiful evening. I want to go and practice my flying. Suddenly, it started raining. Oh no, I hate the rain. Catboy, you really need to get over this fear of water. I just hate getting wet. It feels so horrid. I think I'm going to stay in. I can practice my jumping tomorrow. That's okay, Catboy. Me and Owlette can go out and see you later. Okay, Gekko, let's go out into the rain and get practicing. After all, it's only a bit of water. Hopefully we won't get any trouble from Romeo or Luna Girl. See you later, Catboy. See you. Bye, guys. Let's go. I'm bored without the others. I wish I could go outside. I need to overcome my fear. It's stopping me from spending time with my friends. Oh wow, it's so good to get some fresh air. Yes, this rain does seem quite odd though. I'm sure the weather forecast said it was going to be dry. Ha 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 ha. Yes, it's me. I've created a weather machine. So this rain's because of you? Oh no, you've used the rain to separate us from Catboy. Haha, I knew that Catboy would never come out in a storm. You'll never be able to defeat me without him. I will control the weather forever. It shall rain every day. This complex machine is one of my greatest creations. It will see the end of you, PJ Masks. Not if we can help it. Ugh, ah! Gekko and Owlette charge at Romeo, trying desperately to grab the weather machine. Meanwhile, Catboy is sitting inside HQ, wondering what to do with himself. Suddenly he hears a big crash and a struggle from outside. What was that? Outside, the gang are still trying to grab the remote. You'll never catch me, PJ Masks. Catboy runs towards the door. Oh no! Gekko and Owlette are in trouble. I need to help them. It's just so wet. We'll get you, Romeo. Come back here. Gekko and Owlette chase Romeo down the street. They're hot on his heels, but Romeo powers on. Come on, Gekko. We must catch him. Haha, I'm wearing my running shoes. You'll never catch me up. Owlette, I'm feeling so tired. I'm going to have to stop. Haha, we'll have a year of rain, then a year of snow, then a year of darkness. I'm the weatherman now. Oh no, it looks like Romeo's getting away. Slithering serpents, we're done for. Oh no, I need to overcome my fear and help my friends. Right, Catboy, pull yourself together. It's only water. Meanwhile, Owlette and Gekko are too tired to carry on. Now for the finale. I shall imprison you in a dark cloud. Oh no, Romeo is capturing Gekko and Owlette in his dark clouds. It looks like he's got them. Right, this is it, Catboy. You're gonna get wet. Ah! Haha, take that, PJ Masks. And where is Catboy to save you? I'm here! Take that, Romeo! Oh, I thought you were scared of water, Catboy. We knew you'd overcome your fear, Catboy. I'll get you next time, PJ Masks. I'm sorry I couldn't get to you guys sooner. I realised that you guys were way more important than me getting a bit wet. It's safe to say that I have overcome my fear. That's so great. Thanks for saving us. Yeah, thanks, Catboy. What shall we do with the weather machine? We could make the sun shine all the time. I think we should destroy it. The weather isn't our decision to make. Let's leave that to nature.
Let's learn about the life under the sea. There's a world beneath the waves, so why don't you sing with me? There's so many different creatures that make this place so great. So come along, let's all dive in. I really just can't wait, 'cause all I wanna do is sing about the sea with you. Wow, here's a crab. Crab? Who lives under the sea. He has really strong claws and a shell for his body. He can only walk sideways along the ocean floor. So say hello next time you're here, but watch out for those claws, 'cause all that I wanna do is sing about the sea with you. Oh my, here's a shark! Wow! His tail and his fin. He's got a lot of teeth, so don't try to make him grin. They've been around for many years, longer than you and me. Hammerhead and Mako's swimming under the sea, 'cause all that I wanna do is sing about the sea with you. Here's an octopus. Look at all his arms. Don't try and tickle him, or you'll be alarmed. Some can change colour to help them camouflage. Keep away from predators like that killer shark. All that I want to do is sing about the sea with you. Blowhole on its back. They come in lots of colours, blue, white, grey and black. They look a lot like fish, but they breathe air like you and me. That's because they're mammals living in the sea. And all that I want to do is sing about the sea with you. Left out, we've left out quite a few, 'cause there's starfish, cuttlefish, blowfish, rainbowfish, plankton, clownfish, dolphins, lionfish, eels, jellyfish, seahorses, turtles, swordfish, tunafish and mermaids. Mermaids? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's learn about the life under the sea. There's a world beneath the waves, so why don't you sing with me? There's so many different creatures that make this place so great. So come along, let's all dive in. I really just can't wait, 'cause all that I wanna do is sing about the sea with you.
Crocodile hiding under that tree, and he likes to sing along to the funky swampy song. If you like to sing, he may give you a chance, so come along now, let's do the swamp song dance. Do the swamp dance to the swamp song in the swamp. Move your feet to the beat and the rhythm of it. Do the swamp dance to the swamp song in the swamp. Move your feet to the beat and the rhythm of it. Do the swamp dance to the swamp song in the swamp. Move
Move your feet to the beat and the rhythm of the swamp. The rhythm of the swamp goes round. Why don't you wade into the swamp with me? I know an otter who's invited us over for tea, and he loves to jump around to that funky swampy sound. So let's turn up the noise, invite the crocodile too. There's a party at the swamp, so let's get the whole crew to do the swamp dance, do the swamp song in the swamp. Move your feet to the beat and the rhythm of the do the swamp dance, do the swamp song in the swamp. Move your feet to the beat and the rhythm of the do the swamp dance, to the swamp song in the swamp. Move your feet to the beat and the rhythm of the swamp. The rhythm of the swamp goes round. At the swamp there's so many friends to make. I know a frog who can make an amazing chocolate cake.
Really?
And he likes to hop around to the beat of the swampy ground. So tell the dragonflies to get over here and send word to the fish that we're in the all clear to do the swamp dance, do the swamp song in the swamp. Move your feet to the beat and the rhythm of the do the swamp dance, to the swamp song in the swamp. Move your feet to the beat and the rhythm of the do the swamp dance, to the swamp song in the swamp. Move your feet to the beat and the rhythm of the swamp. The rhythm of the swamp goes round. Do the swamp dance, do the swamp song in the swamp. Move your feet to the beat and the rhythm of the do the swamp dance, to the swamp song in the swamp. Move your feet to the beat and the rhythm of the do the swamp dance, to the swamp song in the swamp. Move your feet to the beat and the rhythm of the swamp. The rhythm of the swamp goes round.